Greetings, salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. And if you guys are returning, we're going to be doing a super fun unboxing today. So if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, vlogs, and unboxings just like this, don't forget to subscribe with the little bell button for notifications. Add me on Instagram, it's Hadrian, and just like it's spelled here, for more behind the scenes thrifting and home decor action, all that super fun stuff. And don't forget to check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale for my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let us get into this. Now, I got a box right now in the mail. And if you guys watched my vlogs, a few days ago I told you guys that I won something on eBay and I was super excited about it. It's something that I have wanted for quite some time and didn't think that it would, I'd be able to find it so quickly, especially because this is a newer style of this, from this fashion house. And I am just really super duper excited. So, okay, but first let me tell you, the post office literally stuffed this, box into the, our mailbox thing. And it's, it got so squished. It was so hard for me to get out. Literally, I had to, almost break the box open to get it. Anyway, so, I didn't open it yet, but it's like I already opened it because I have to, tear it open intensely. But we're gonna open it right now and check it out. The box is kind of flimsy too, so that doesn't help. But okay, so here it is. It's inside here. I can feel it. Okay, we're gonna see this together. Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh, it's so. Are you guys dead? Do you see this color? It is such a vibrant yellow, and it is so soft. Oh my gosh, I'm literally rubbing it on my face. So it has the contrasting blue handles, and then it has a gray zipper trim, and then it also has a gray little dongle on there as well. So this is the bag like this, and oh my gosh. So I already forgot what it's called. I think it's called the Fendi two-way. So there's the little Fendi logo right there on the front. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I wanted a lemon yellow bright bag like this for so long. I have yellow bags, but I don't they're all kind of neon. This is just a bright lemon yellow, which is gorgeous. And then I love the light blue with it and the gray. I just love, love, love it. Okay, so then here's the crossbody strap, which is, oh my gosh, you guys. So, I was watching this item for a few days on eBay. Oh my gosh, stop, it has so many straps. Does it really have another strap too? I can pick what color strap I want? Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I think one you can wear low, you can button it up so it'll be kind of a shorter strap, because these kind of just button like that, and then you can just do it all the way like this. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Then you can carry it like this on your shoulder, and then you can carry it crossbody, which is so awesome. I'm so excited. How does it have so many straps? How did I not even know that it came with so many straps? Okay, so let me show you guys the inside. So the inside, it has just a fabric lining. There's the little Fendi made in Italy tab right there, and then the little serial number underneath. And then there's a middle zipper compartment right here that separates. Ooh, I love that it has so many compartments. So it has the middle zipper pocket, and then it just has two back pockets right there in the back. You guys, this bag is life-changing. It's so cute. I love the size. Oh, it's so nice. I'm so excited. I'm also excited that it comes with two straps. And what I'm really excited about too is to use these straps on other bags, because I love this yellow. Like I said, this is so amazing. It's I bought 3 things in one, because I have 2 different straps to use, and then I have the bag, and then you can use it so many different ways. You guys, Are you guys like, are you as dead as I am? So here's like the size of it. Can you see? Okay, so then this is kind of like the shortest that the strap goes, which is probably give or take like maybe 15 inches. And it just sits really nicely on your shoulder like that. And then the longer strap, hold on, let me like fix these because I think I have them like kind of jumbled up a little bit. I'm like so excited. I can't even. Okay. Did I put them on the right ones? No, I still did them wrong. Okay, Hadrian. Like, you're a hot mess right now. There you go. That's the ticket. Okay. So then, the leather smells so good. It's intoxicating. Okay, so then the crossbody strap. I think you can probably go all the way down to like right here, but I feel like just one is like a little like, it's like not enough. You probably want 2 snaps on there just to make sure that it's on there really, really well. And I actually really like the height that it hits you, that it hits me at least when I'm holding, like I feel like a lot of people don't really like their bags like this high, but this is like, so it's easy like to just get into it. It's just like right there, plus I can just see it, but it's so cute. You guys, I am so dead over this bag. Look at the color. I feel like I want to wear black all the time so that like it really pops. But it's so nice. I'm so excited. I just poked myself in the eye. But I don't care because I love this bag so much. And I love the little hardware right there. It has like little, they're like, okay, I don't know what happened because my battery just died. But okay, so yeah, let's back to talking about the hardware. These little studs are so cute. They're like round on the bottom, and then they're like, they point up, so it's kind of like a pyramid. But it's so cute. It's so cool. I love how it just flattens out when you're not like holding the top handle. And it is just, the design is pretty simple in and of itself, but it's such a cool bag. Now all I want to do is like attach like a little like monster keychain to it, and I think I want to attach like this little guy right here, because I think, sorry to turn my back on you guys, but I think it would look so stinking cute on there. Let's put one on. Oh, I love it. It is so cute. There you go. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so. Oh no! It's so cute. He matches the blue like pretty perfectly, right? Oh, this bag is the cutest bag I've ever seen. I really, really like it. I love the size too. Like, it's not too big, and it's like, it's definitely not too big, but it's definitely like, it's a small enough size that it's like pretty compact. But I know that this can definitely hold so much. Let's actually, you know what? Let's move into the bag right now. Let us move into it right now. So I have, okay. So I have Chanel card case. I'll actually put that in the, like, should I put it in like the pocket? Oh, it fits perfectly inside that little pocket right there. So that way I always kind of know where it is. And then I have my headphones right there. I'll put it into the other pocket so I always know where that is too. And then I have my little key fobs. And then here I have my sunglasses. Throw that in there. Ah! And then my keys. Keep them inside this little banana. Oh my gosh, it's so serendipitous. It matches perfectly. Okay, so that goes in there. And just like my EOS lip balm, right in there. Oh no, you guys. Oh, let's throw my phone in there too. That's charging. Okay, so my phone, we'll put that in like the middle compartment. You guys, everything fits in there so beautifully. Like, that's usually what I have, just like in that I carry with me on a regular basis in my smaller bag. But it's so stinking cute. It's so perfect. I can't get over how much I love the straps. And I know that's like a ridiculous thing, but it's so stinking cute. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it's here, and I can't... Okay, so I got this bag. I think for like a little over $300, which is a steal, because I think, how much does this bag go for? I think I want to say over $2,000, around $2,000. So that is a great value, and for like the shape that it's in, it is in fantastic shape. Unfortunately, it did not come with any of the care cards, dust bag, box, or anything, but those things don't really matter to me. So I am just like in love with this bag. It is so cute. I'm already gonna use it. It already has all my stuff inside. I am so obsessed. I have been loving Fendi recently. I have picked up so many Fendi items this year, and I got like a bunch of like Fendi charms, Fendi bags, and this one is so gorgeous. So that rounds out today's video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and checking out this unboxing. My heart is like racing because I'm like so excited, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, this video isn't to like brag or anything, but it's what I wanted to show in this video is how you can definitely pick up designer items and get them at a great value and save so much money. You don't have to pay like that $2,000 for your bag. And you just also be careful when you buy things. Also, as I should have said this in the beginning of the video, but like a quick disclaimer, you should be careful when you're buying any designer items such as these online. Make sure you do your homework. Check everything. There's websites that you can go to have things authenticated actually as well. So you can actually submit photos or the listing on eBay and have them look at the item just to make sure that it's authentic. And also make sure too, like when you're buying from someone, check their reviews, see how long they've been on eBay, see like what people have written about them, see the items that they sell. There's so many different things. So if you guys want a video for how to buy things like this, like a dedicated, purely dedicated to buying things online, let me know and I will make one. But if you have any questions too, just let me know. Send me write a comment down in the comments below. Send me a DM on Instagram or write me an email. itsHadrian@gmail.com. And I love you guys so much. And don't forget to check out today's vlog. It goes up at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and a new thrifting video goes up tomorrow at 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys then. Bye! Is it just me, or